distinguished guy with a put. We can't go get perk every time. It's like police, I be honest, do all the while. And they go 2 to 2 with him here.
Me never know say you listen to me, man.
I love your program.
Okay, thank you, man.
I see me begin to listen to you. We start with the railroad program. So railroad come highly political. And my wife play the railroad that objective. Although we see him have tough time on the road with it.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers at the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. Yes, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel is all about saving life, and that's our main priority here. Yes, we are not beholden to any political parties in Jamaica or anywhere, but we support the party or government who is willing to make Jamaican people's lives better, especially when it comes on to security. We would like to see the culture of the people change, by instilling these youths ethics, moral, decency, truthfulness, and to get rid of all the muck and this culture erosion that has been taken over and infiltrate our people's mind in Jamaica. You understand? So, that's what we're all about here, reading, and these youths need to read more. So, we are all about saving lives here at the channel, at the Jamaica Young Police channel. But some lives are not worth saving. They have lived a parasitic life and were not contributing citizens to the society. Hence, we'd like to find a way to get rid of them by any means necessary. The Jamaica Young Police channel is not for criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, beneficiaries, sympathizers, excuse specialists, and head hunchers in criminal underworld. At the channel, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we aid criminals with a passion. Yes, especially the criminal police officers. Yeah, so we'll continue the journey. So this is part 2. Yes, of Dudus' great escape from Tivoli Gardens and the people who assist him, who help him. There's a lot of people who are involved in helping this man escaping and evading the security forces. And you're gonna, and I'm telling you, man, men with rifles, over 100 men, and I just want you to listen, because what happened is that if you notice that none of his movements weren't reported in the media. You understand? Because the information was tucked away deep within the political establishment, because they did not want to reveal it to the Jamaican public, to tell you guys who, and the world to tell you guys who were involved in this operation. And you're going to be shocked to hear some prominent Jamaican name, politicians, police officers, business people, local and at the national level. So we'll continue the journey. You watch, you listen, you decide. Public who has publicly opposed the United States request to extradite Christopher Coke was allowed to leave the police checkpoint after Coke was arrested. So this man a pastor, say him a man of God, and him a say, him against the American name for extradite Christopher Dudus Coke. If you preach about God, how you involved in a political and criminal law, especially with international criminal law, you're supposed to stay focused by the church, and you're supposed to tell all parasites, you understand, your lifestyle is wrong. But these people give credence to these guys, so that's why they feel powerful, like them have power, and nobody no vote for them. You understand? So the police, after him leave the checkpoint, the police, so Reverend Almina must turn in himself immediately at any police station along with his lawyer for questioning, as he's a major person, not even a person of interest, a major person of interest, and a matter currently being investigated by the police spokesman called Angled said. If Coke waives his rights to an extradition hearing, he could be sent directly to the United States for trial. Coke strongly supported the ruling Jamaica Labour Party government right now and wielding a powerful influence in West Kingston slums. Jamaica initially refused to extradite him to New York for trial after his indictment, and the case strained relationship between the United States and Jamaica. Christopher Dudus was arrested in June 22nd, 2010 after a 5-week man-hunt. So you see, it's people at Jamaica that give him comfort, finance and support. That's 5 weeks, you know. This the most wanted man in the world was able to elude the security force for 5 months. So I'm to the intelligence community, you know, supposed to be there monitoring all frequency and the phones that are two-way. You'll pick up anything because people will be talking to him and have the phone. They don't have to turn on their phone enough for you to hear. So you would know where he is located. But police were involved too. Big police. You understand? So, you know, he was extradited to the United States in September 2010 and he pleaded guilty to the authorities in August 2011. And you know that he's facing 23 years in prison when he was sentenced in June 2012. So he have 12 more years. And guess what? This man have done everything. Him sign a plea agreement with the United States government, you know, and everything, the man against it. Him go against him own word. So you know that he was the leader of the Shower Posse, a criminal organization, traffic guns, drugs in Jamaica and the United States and other parts of the world. The Shower Posse involved for several murders and other violent crimes. Coke also accused of using his influence to intimidate and corrupt government officials in Jamaica, because people don't want for dead. And that's why we need to get rid of, eliminate these criminals. And this is my suggestion. And I don't care what nobody wants to say. The government need to use the military and lock down Rockfort. Yeah, lock down Rockfort and take away all of them rifle from the man. And who forget dirt, who forget preemptive strike, get preemptive strike. Because there's a whole heap of over 300 rifle out by Mountain View and Rockfort. And them are boss or them have the tallest thing and all kind of thing. We don't support no criminal. You understand? So we continue the journey. We know that, you know, his arrest led to some serious riots. You know, the supporters them. You know, it was a sign that the government were serious about cracking down on drug trafficking and crime. That's the American government, not the Jamaican government. Because remember I say, you know, it was the drug dealers, you know, that supported Bruce Golding ascension to the leadership of the Jamaica Labour Party, LGBTQ plus then. You know, so the street arrest led to violence in Jamaica as Coke supporters rioted in the street. Coke arrest was a significant event in Jamaica history. It marked the end of an era of impunity for drug traffickers and criminals. It also showed that the Jamaican government was willing to collaborate with the United States in the fight against crime. They were forced, and they never do it willingly, because Obama read the riot act to Bruce Golding. They never could fool him about, boy, because him say no one no rear art, no chichi man in the cabinet. Lie, that now nothing to do with why him have to resign. I do this, nothing to do with no rear admiral or no chichi man. Lie. You know, so here are the people who have helped Christopher Dudus evade law enforcement officers, and the Jamaican Defence Force started with the negotiation situation before the incursion into Tivoli Gardens. One of Christopher Coke's friend, Justice Ogilvy, was the man who had made the contact with Pastor Era Blair to meet with Christopher Dudus Coke. Yes, so Justin is the one that, you know, the olive leaf, you know, so they understand them want to talk with Blair and for Dudus do the right thing. So Bishop Errol Blair, you know, recounted 2 meetings with the drug kingpin Christopher Dudus inside his Tivoli Gardens stronghold less than a week before the start of the May 2010 operation in West Kingston. So we're going to give you the thing them step by step, you know, because we're not going to just jumble it up, you know, want to get the thing in details so you can remember. So Blair said the meeting aimed to convince Coke to surrender to Jamaica law enforcement authorities. Coke was being sought at the time on an extradition warrant from the United States authority. Yeah, we know some people say say the warrant was illegal and this and that. You have to understand, you know, that sometimes something's illegal, but it's legal. And why we say that is that the MOU that Peter Phillips signed for the American government to extradite Christopher Dudus and hand it over to the army. This was a form of political. It was a political hit job by Peter Phillips, and the reason why Peter Phillips did it, they realized that, you know, you see, this man, whether or not you want to believe it, you know, Christopher Dudus, you know, is one of the most influential Jamaican, you know, ever, you know, to be able to organize and get the people them in a PMP community and PMP stronghold to vote for Labour right. So they had seen the man influence, and it will be waning on the PMP because Christopher Dudus was going to take over Jamaica, you know, with the Labour Party, you know, if they never extradite him, you know. You see, a Klansman has become one of them and change everything because that's how influential the man, although man a criminal, very effective leader, very charismatic. He's a very charismatic leader, although he look like a rat. Yeah, Dudus look like a rat. Oh, what? So, right, Dudus, him above criticism. No, he look like a rat. You understand what I'm saying? We're not willing to no guy, no criminals, no drug dealer, no guy. You understand? And we are proud informer and Uncle Sam. Yeah, we say that and we say it every day. We don't like criminals. We don't like criminals. We don't want them wrong. We don't want to support us, enable and financiers around us. We want to just stay away and go over ugly something. Yeah, that's a criminal channel. You understand? So Blair stated when he entered Tivoli Gardens for the first meeting on May 19, he saw more than 50 men armed with rifles and firearm and confirmed, telling then Police Commissioner Owen Ellington afterwards. And this is why man said, I have never seen so many guns in my life. Remember saying that Blair is a man, the man used to be in the army in Jamaica, in the Jamaica Defense Force as a reserve soldier, so he know what he's talking about. Blair said he first went into Tivoli Gardens after getting the approval of then Prime Minister Bruce Golding and opposition spokesman and National Security Dr. Peter Phillips. So he said Tivoli was an autonomous community. I forget permission from the Prime Minister. So Tivoli Gardens was an autonomous community. According to him, he went into West Kingston community under the escort of his contact, that are Justin. And Justin took him inside here. Justin are the only one where I tell Dudus, and I say, look here, man, just go on because we can't beat America, you know. Look what America do with Iraq, with Saddam Hussein. Saddam Hussein have an army. Look what happened with Afghanistan, Bin Laden, Bin Laden. We are nothing like them and them thing there. We just go on because you're not going to win. But they have some fool. Oh, Prezi this and oh, Prezi are the man and oh, they have to respect you and oh, we fight to the death. American have a problem for decimate Tivoli Garden and our Jamaicans. You understand? Look, hey, just look, man. America just, just drop one bomb and them thing there and just kill thousands of people. So I don't know what to these fools and them thing there. But yeah, Jamaica need a rebuilding from this, yeah. So it'd be nice, if Uncle Sam had really, drop something from all the C-17 and just obliterate the whole of down to we don't care. You obliterate and start all over. You understand? With people with different mindset and eradicate the muck from these people's minds. All people who support criminality. It's wrong because you affect other people's rights. Yes, man. So criminals, they want to trample upon people's rights, and and them don't want the government to trample on this. So they want to be the government and tell people what them can do and what them cannot do, and informer for dead. But we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel say informer for live and gunman for dead, or even at them sleep. We don't support no gunman, no criminal supporter, beneficiaries, financiers, enablers and supporters and sympathizers. Yeah, man, we not support uno for dead. No informer for dead. Uno for dead. And that's what I say. Because we want the people them to live and have a nice life. You understand? We don't want no criminal in our midst. And when we say criminal, we don't want a criminal sympathizer. And look here, I am Legend. from England. We don't want you around way. We don't want a criminal sympathizer around way. We don't want a criminal enabler around way. We don't want a propagandist around way. You understand? It's law and order we deal with. So we continue. We don't, as we say, man, we don't want them around way. We don't want a liquor bigger around way. We don't want a cool breeze around way. We don't want a drug dealer around way. We don't want a convicted drug dealer around way. We don't want a criminal supporter around way. We don't want to around way. We want people who have like-mind thinking, who do not support criminality and this killing of people and these all kind of things that violate people's rights. We don't want to around way. You understand? We don't like criminals. That's why we believe in a preemptive strike, because we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel do believe in saving lives, but some life not worth saving. You understand? We don't want to around way. We hate to like poison with a passion. We know, so we don't believe when we say that. When we say we don't want a criminal around way. The least inclination that we have that you're a criminal supporter and financier and enabler and sympathizer, we kick you. We don't want you one way. We not even respond to your comment. So you're just wasting the time when you come on the channel, because we're going to delete you. We're going to make you have to sign another, you have to sign up for another Google account, and we'll just keep doing it, because we're not going to answer. We don't have no time for criminals and criminal supporters, because you cannot distract us from what we are doing. You understand? None of you, any of you show the people them who is supporting the criminality in Jamaica. None of you show this boy Danville Palmer walking with the opposition leader Mark Golin. This boy, after him come from prison 10 months, you understand? And we even receive information that this boy and his brother, yes, more one time, them say the SSP Fipsy dead. The police officer in West Kingston. Hey, look here, you don't get over mad on them thing, because we're going to release all that, you know. So you understand? So, you know, we're not distracted. So, you know, we'll continue the journey with Christopher Blair. Yeah, so Blair said, said the meeting, you know, for make Christopher Dudus surrender to the Jamaican Law Enforcement Authority. But boy, him not in that, you know. The man in that at all. Blair said, yo, Dudus said, him not in that, you understand? So, he said he waited for some time before Coke appeared in the room where he was staying. So, hey, may I tell you, I saw them run down the side, so Harold Blair, you know, a man of God, and you know, you understand, I say man of God because him preach and them thing, but you don't know, remember, you know, hey, back in the days, still in the 80s, you know, Harold Blair church, a fire in the panel, the man understand marketing in them church, fire in the man, the panel, radio and TV and them thing there. Harold Blair, first Jamaican pastor for really propel the religion and TV, and he make some crazy money and them thing there. Yeah man, Sunday morning, everybody TV, everybody station, you know, TV upon the station, I listen to Herbie. I'm a very effective preacher to man. You understand? And the man there, when the man there preach, the man there have all them gun on them, you know. So you understand? You think so the man they are idiot? Yeah man, the man there preach have them gun, but you think you can go in them church or kill them congregant? I pay a gunshot again, because everybody in the Herbie church have gun. Because I'm telling you, say, oh, Herbie tell the people them say God help those who help themselves. Don't leave yourself out there to the mercy of the criminals. And that's a smart pastor, you understand? So we continue the journey. So here, this is how Harold Blair described Coke. Him say, boy, Coke seemed cool, calm and collected. The level of fear over me when I was going in was somewhat alleviated. So you know, say, hey, trust me, imagine you go in a community and you see over 50 man with rifle and all them rifle and man have all one man have 2 gun rifle and handgun, and then man of police. Boy, hey, trust me, in blood pressure suppose is sky high. I would never enter in a no form of negotiation or in a conversation with any man where me I go see more 50 man with illegal gun, not even one illegal gun me are going to, you understand? Anything we have to deal with any illegal gun, it must be some shootout. You understand what I'm saying? Me not go in no conversation with no terrorists. You understand? And them militia. But Harold Blair did it because he was reassured by the Prime Minister and you know and Dr. Peter Phillips, you know, the man who spearheaded the operation against Dudus, because them afraid of him in the PMP, them afraid of Dudus, you know. Believe you me, you know, because he is one of the most witty criminal Jamaica ever see, because he know to organize, but him evil, you know. You understand? People love him. Yeah, a lot of people love him. Because I get a call from a white lady. Yeah, a white lady that live in England and Nova Scotia. Yes, and she told me, yes. Yeah, I spoke to her for about 2 hours. She understands the culture of Jamaica. She loves Jamaica. And believe you me, she said she loves Christopher Cook. She said her husband, a Jamaican, white man, and them have some kids. And she talked to me, so they went down to Coronation Market. She said them naive and them thing. Even her husband, because her husband come from country. But them went down to Coronation Market and to buy things and their car, they had left their car. Unfortunately, they had left their car open and left her handbag in there. And somebody had took out her handbag. And when she reached back to the car, she started to cry hysterically. And somebody came up to her and asked her what happened, and she told them. And she said less than 10 minutes she get back her bag, everything intact. And she said, a man said to her, I said, boy, the president said we tell her sorry. And she said, boy, she never know who it was until when all of these things happened. Not because her husband, he left Jamaica years ago, but them, when he left Jamaica, it was no problem to go anywhere in Jamaica. So that's the mindset. But so she was she had defended him, and I said, boy, I'm a good man based on that to her. And so I was explaining to her that, hey, look, yeah, I'm good to some people, or I'm wicked to some. So that's how criminal operate. If you operate in them space and comply with them, they will take care of you. But anytime them feel like, me saying have a cross, and that's how criminal operate. Them just feel like you inform, or them feel like this, you're dead. I just saw it go. So you understand, and I explained to her how the culture operates, and yeah, she's one of our prominent subscribers from day one. You understand? Over years now. So we continue the journey. So Pastor Blair, Error Blair now say he was there now for nearly 2 hours in a meeting with Dudus, and him implore the Tivoli Gardens to surrender to the authorities and have the gunmen seen in the community disarm. So I tell him, say, boy, hey, look here, tell the boy them to put on them gun and them thing, because them can't beat the security force. All of them are got dead because these are people who are trained for these kind of things. So there's no need for them to be showing force, because them now have a backup force to come. The police and the military, them have backup force, because them have thousands of them. You cannot win and you can't beat America, so just go on. And if you leave, if you just easily just give up without any fight, Tivoli Garden enjoy the same amount of autonomy that you had before. But if you don't leave and you make the security force come in, you're going to lose all of that autonomy. So what you're doing is self-serving. You're not looking about, think about Tivoli Gardens. And Blair, I tell him, say, look here, for years now, Tivoli Garden enjoy being a country within the country. Why you want to give up that? And and him say, I think about it. Some idiot now, because Justin was in the meeting, some idiot after Blair left. So we'll continue, then we'll tell you. Because a special branch people, all of these things coming from. So Dudus, I tell Error Blair, say, boy, his legal team had filed a motion in court that he would await the outcome of that process. Blair said during both, I told him I meet with him, during both meetings, the drug kingpin refused to surrender, indicating that he was fearful that he would not get a fair trial and that he could suffer the same fate as his father Lester Lightcoke, more popular known as Jim Brown. The elder caught dying in a fire at Tower Street that had a GP Adult Correctional Center, which at the time was known as General Penitentiary. He said Jamaican state killed his father, but there had been no explanation, Coke recounted. So, Dudus now, during everything, after Error Blair explained everything to him. So imagine, so based on what the special branch officers are saying, during the conversation between Blair and Dudus and Justin, Blair, hey, look, and this is something now that the public did not know. Blair telling the man, say, look, Tivoli Gardens, as enjoy being an autonomous community within Jamaica, and now you go give up that because somebody were telling me what is afoot, Blair told him that they're planning, the government is planning, because even Peter, and you are telling me, I said Peter Phillips, they're planning, that they said if the security force go in, they have to put a police force after when everything is done. So Blair Blair, you understand? So we show how criminality operates, so Blair I tell him, say, look, if you just go in and give in yourself, you still are going to enjoy this autonomy down here in Tivoli Garden. The police and the soldier can come in here as them can rope through other community, because them put a police post in here and you're going to lose all of that. You understand? And him say, I think about it. When Blair leave, people have like minds and all them things they talk to him. All Desmond McKenzie talk to the man, and the man backs down the big man. Yeah, Dudus backs down Desmond McKenzie because the man attack sense in him. Yes, Dudus backs Desmond McKenzie, the member of parliament, the minister of labour right now. Yeah, backs him because him tell him. So the same thing Errol Blair was telling him, I same thing Desmond McKenzie I tell him to. So boy, you understand, you're going to mash up the community. Because I just see you can't beat America. So you look at fool them and they run him, oh man, you're president, and big man and short man and Mikey and all kind of madness. So he decided that him now go without a fight. But guess what? And him never fight. All of the people who fight for Christopher Dudus work, all of them are dead. All of them. And guess what? When the woke activists them say after everything, oh, and all those people that the police and the people in the military is extrajudicial killing, and there were nobody there there was no one there with guns. It's all of the guns that they find, they planted it, and these young men, they didn't have any guns, and some of them they just went to look for their family, and they killed them, and it's extrajudicial killing, all of these. And then you have a little brother like wet rat where him name was Spanish name, I'm just a talk from memory. I'm not even remember him name, like wet rat and them thing there. I don't even remember him name, remember a Spanish name, yeah. They had kicked him out of the Tivoli inquiry. Dag Aguilar, yeah, same name, Dag Aguilar. I don't know him first name, but that's what was passed. Yeah, Dag Aguilar. So Dag Aguilar now, he's the one that was going there and causing all kind of problem. So he's the one that encouraged the people them to break the law, you understand? Because he expect to make money from it. Because in Jamaica, you see, once you promote criminality, you become famous, If you have a law and order, I kill them one for kill because you're informer. We say at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, informer for live, criminal, gunman, them supporter, financier, supporters, enablers and sympathizer for dead. Yeah, informer for live, criminal, gunmen and their likes and their constituent must dead. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel. And before we go, coming up next, you're going to have part 2, because we don't get in the names, So when Dudus leave now from Tivoli, went through Anatown, yes, and the same boy there you see in Danville Palmer was one of them. He was seen, with an AK-47 rifle, with a drum clip, and got through Jonestown. Police, yeah, police. Yeah, man. So, here up bigger Ford. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.